FocusPoint has some fantastic solutions around the retail and distribution industries, but focusing on retail for this example here, this is a site that sells approximately 1 million SKUs across all types of verticals here. So we'll have everything from camping equipment we can see here to garbage bins, an enormous amount of featured brands. Let's go ahead and take a little bit of a deep dive into what is possible in retail here. So I'm logged in as a sample customer out of SAP Business One. SAP Business One is the source of truth for all your customer information and your item information. Of course, we do add some additional tables and UDFs to enrich SAP data. So right off the get-go here, I can see the best sellers that are AI generated and are directly targeting the logged in business user. Or if this is retail, it'll profile those return customers once they buy once or twice. If they haven't been before and they're true B2C, then it will just show them a generic list as it learns their behaviors here. So if I go ahead and jump in here, I can see that there is none in stock. I have the complete options in terms of how much stock I want to show. I can see here these are going to be packs of cartons, packs of 100. So this is buying in bulk. I have tier pricing, which is coming from the period and volume of SAP. Specifications are going to be additional fields that are added to the item master that can become faceted search. And then you always have those cross sells and upsells that are always working. So if I spread across my catalog, often in retail, you'll use that navigation here. Let's go over to, say, computers and hardware. And here I can see all the monitors that are on sale. And I can have my categories and my brands over here on the left. And if I wanted to expand this out, I absolutely could get a lot more information on here. So again, if I drill into this particular monitor, I get a logo of who the manufacturer is, brand part number, SKU part number. This is ideal for B2B type situations. Go ahead and add to the cart. Notice here now I have in stock 14. And if I need to get, I can buy in bulk, then I can say generally the amount of purchase orders I should be able to get, up to 73 in 2 to 3 days. It's completely up to you how much information you want to expose out of SAP Business One to those logged in business partners. You can, of course, enforce the default BP warehouse in those B2B scenarios. If I click on our brands, I can see some very specific brands, like first-party brands. Otherwise, I can drill into brands, which is all of them, and then go through a listing here. So if I want to just look at the brands, say for alphabetized A, I can do that. And then drill in and then look at just the products, in this example, say from this AccuFit. Now, in addition here, I can look at a PDF type catalog. Any type of information like this is going to be fine. So I can post this for everybody to see, or I can post a generic BP catalog that will have the specific SKUs that that business partner is expecting. And it might not necessarily match up to the SKUs in SAP Business One, and that's okay. Different promotions are certainly available. It'll do data inspection on the item master to determine what is on sale and what is not. So here I can see there's different options here: wrecking bars, nails, concrete, and brick. So when I drill into these ones, I can then choose different size options. All right, so if it's not on the category page for immediate buy, that just means that there is some options to potentially select. As I go through the different sizes, I'm going to get different allotments in stock. Outs and other dynamic categorizations are all part of this. Again, it's looking for discontinued products potentially, or deep discounted products. The search is effectively like Google style search, where you can search for any type of keyword. So if I want to say search for, say, double, then anything with double ranked is going to come back. So this list will change depending on conversion. So it's going to look at, what's converting to a sale generically, and also use my business partner I'm logged into as being, relevancy, and give me a very specific around, result around search. And then anything else, of course, is possible. Any workflow business process that's customer centric in SAP Business One can be exposed over to this retail specific implementation of FocusPoint.